Toyota just announced something extraordinary. Their 2026 SUV lineup includes a model with a 20-year powertrain warranty. But that's just the beginning. What Japanese engineers revealed about their new testing protocols will change how you think about reliability forever. In the next few minutes, you'll discover 7 Japanese SUVs that are rewriting the rules for 2026. Number 7. 2026 Honda CR-V Hybrid. Honda completely rebuilt the CR-V, and the changes go far beyond what you can see. The 2026 model introduces a 4th-generation hybrid system with revolutionary dual thermal management, both air and liquid cooling working simultaneously. Why does this matter? Heat destroys batteries. Honda's new system maintains a 3-degree temperature variance regardless of conditions. They tested this in Death Valley at 130 degrees Fahrenheit for 72 continuous hours, no degradation. Then they moved it to a cold chamber at -40 degrees Fahrenheit and ran it at full throttle. Performance was identical. This thermal stability means the hybrid system will operate at 90% capacity at 300,000 miles. The 2-liter engine paired with electric motors produces 204 horsepower moderate power that Honda learned decades ago equals longevity. The transmission isn't a traditional CVT. It's a single-speed reduction gear with no belts or pulleys. Fewer parts mean fewer failures. Even the sound-deadening foam is engineered not to compress over time, preventing the rattles that make people trade in perfectly good vehicles. Number 6. 2026 Mazda CX-50. Mazda's lower sales volume is actually an advantage. Every CX-50 from their Alabama plant is built with 13% more time per vehicle than industry average, and that extra time shows. The 2.5-liter Skyactiv engine now makes 187 horsepower, down from 191. This seems counterintuitive until you understand why. Mazda lengthened the stroke and reduced peak RPM. Maximum torque now arrives at 3,250 revolutions per minute instead of 4,000. Lower RPM equals less stress and longer life. The engine uses a 1:3:1 compression ratio on regular unleaded through what Mazda calls gentle combustion, a controlled burn that reduces cylinder pressure spikes and long-term wear. But the CX-50's secret weapon is rust protection. After catastrophic rust problems in the 1990s, Mazda became obsessed. The 2026 model has zinc-rich primer, galvanized panels, and cavity wax in every structural channel. Warranty data shows 0 corrosion at 5 years in salt belt states, unheard of for a non-luxury vehicle. The 6-speed automatic is deliberately old school with wide ratios and robust clutch packs. It holds 9 quarts of fluid instead of the typical 6 for better cooling. And the suspension bushings are polyurethane that doesn't degrade with ozone exposure, showing no deterioration after simulated 15-year aging. Number 5. 2026 Subaru Outback Wilderness. Subaru's Boxer engine had head gasket problems for years, but the 2.4-liter turbo in the 2026 Outback Wilderness represents a complete solution. Multi-layer steel head gaskets, mirror-finished deck surfaces, and 20% more clamping force distribution mean 0 failures after 500,000 simulated miles of thermal cycling. The CVT transmission now has a launch gear, an actual first gear for acceleration. This eliminates the belt slip that wore out earlier CVTs. Fluid capacity increased from 11 to 14 quarts with a 30% larger cooler. The Wilderness variant adds 1/4-inch steel skid plates covering everything from oil pan to fuel tank. One punctured oil pan ends your engine. One damaged wiring harness creates electrical problems that never fully resolve. The Wilderness protects critical components, extending lifespan. The suspension uses sealed Bilstein dampers and progressive rate springs that prevent bottoming out. Bushings are oversized by 15%. At 150,000 miles, the Wilderness will handle like new while competitors are wallowing and rattling. Number 4. 2026 Lexus GX 550. The GX 550 combines Japanese reliability with uncompromising capability. It uses a full-boxed frame, a turbocharged inline-6, and a 10-speed automatic that somehow defies the complexity curse. The 3.4-liter twin-turbo makes 349 horsepower from a cast-iron block. It's heavier but exponentially more durable than aluminum, with cylinder walls thick enough to be bored out multiple times. This engine has million-mile potential. The turbochargers use journal bearings instead of ball bearings. Ball bearing turbos spool faster but fail sooner. Journal bearings last 2 to 3 times longer. The turbos also have a dedicated electric pump that circulates coolant after shutdown, preventing heat soak failure. The 10-speed automatic has 4 overdrive gears, meaning the GX 550 cruises at 75 miles per hour, with the engine spinning at just 1,650 revolutions per minute. Lower RPM equals less wear and quieter operation. The transmission uses torque converter lockup in gears 4 through 10 no slippage wear. The transfer case is a true 2-speed unit with low range that's been proven in Land Cruisers for decades. The body-on-frame construction uses 14 bolts per side with rubber bushings, preventing stress cracks. The frame takes the load, not the body. This is why you see GX models with 300,000 miles still feeling tight. Number 3, 2026 Toyota 4Runner TRD Pro. The 4Runner is entering its 16th year on the same platform, and that's exactly why it's reliable. Toyota perfected this design over a decade and a half. The new 2.4-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder makes 278 horsepower, but produces 317 pound-feet of torque at 1,700 revolutions per minute. The old V6 made 278 pound-feet at 4,600 revolutions per minute. Low-end torque means less downshifting and less wear. This engine has been in testing since 2018. Toyota doesn't introduce unproven technology, they wait until it's bulletproof. The 8-speed automatic is oversized with reinforced clutch packs and higher fluid capacity than necessary. The 4-wheel drive system is part-time, not full-time. In 2-wheel drive, the front differential and drive shaft are stationary. You only engage 4-wheel drive when needed, extending component life. The frame is coated with spray-on rubberized undercoating from the factory. Combined with annual oil spray treatments, the 4Runner frame can last indefinitely. There are 1,990 seconds 4Runners still running in New England with solid frames. Number 2, 2026 Honda Pilot Trail Sport. The 3.5-liter V6 is Honda's J-Series engine in its final evolution, with over 15 million units built since 1996. When you have that production data, you know every failure mode. This engine uses a timing belt, not a chain. Honda's belts are rated for 100,000 miles and cost $300 to replace. Timing chains are lifetime until they stretch at 150,000 miles and cause catastrophic damage. Honda chose the maintenance item over potential disaster. The all-wheel drive system uses mechanical clutch packs, not electromagnetic ones. Electromagnetic systems are faster but generate heat and fail. Mechanical clutches last longer. Honda's torture test shocked everyone. They ran pre-production pilots on Moab's Hell's Revenge Trail for 30 consecutive days, 8 hours per day. At the end, only the suspension bushings showed wear equivalent to 50,000 highway miles. Everything else was fine. The engineers expected catastrophic failures and found normal wear. Number 1, 2026 Toyota Land Cruiser 250. This is the most reliable SUV from anywhere. The Land Cruiser carries 70 years of reputation, and the 2026 model is simpler and more focused than its predecessor. It uses the same 2.4-liter turbo as the 4Runner, but tuned for longevity. Peak torque is limited to 310 pound-feet instead of 317 because Toyota knows this vehicle will be loaded, towing, and crossing deserts. They left margin for durability. The 8-speed has Land Cruiser-specific calibration with earlier upshifts and 2 coolers in series. The 4-wheel drive system uses a torsion center differential purely mechanical with worm gears that bind under load. 0 failures since the 1,980 seconds. Every system has a mechanical backup. The transfer case can be manually shifted if electronics fail. The rear locker has a manual cable. Toyota designs assuming everything computerized will eventually break. The frame is 3.2 millimeters thick, thicker than any competitor, and galvanized. During development testing, Toyota built 50 units for the harshest environments on Earth. Each logged 100,000 miles in 18 months with deliberately neglected maintenance. 47 of 50 returned under their own power. The 3 that didn't had crash damage or contaminated fuel. Toyota engineering specifies major components should remain serviceable for 30 years or 500,000 miles. That's not warranty, that's design specification. The real secret: Japanese SUVs aren't more reliable because of superior technology. They're more reliable because of proven technology. They use older designs, conservative engineering, and aren't chasing horsepower numbers. They're building vehicles that work the same in year 15 as year 1. That philosophy, boring, old-fashioned engineering, creates vehicles that refuse to die. The American market wants excitement. Japanese manufacturers provide dependability. These 7 SUVs prove that simple done right beats complex every time.